Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Monday, December 22nd, 2025. The Ethereum Foundation publishes the Hegotá upgraded timeline, Fileverse introduces social Z-covery, L2B outlines the Ethereum interop layer, and Spire launches the human app chain. All this and more starts right after this message. This episode is sponsored by Archive, an Ethereum-aligned data layer for Web3. Archive merges guarantees of blockchain with the performance and flexibility of traditional databases. Find out more at archive.network/daily. The Ethereum Foundation outlined the tentative timeline for Hegotá, the second Ethereum upgrade in 2026 following Glamsterdam. The proposal period for headliner EAPs, which are EAPs that provide flagship features that define the upgrade scope, will open on January 8, 2026. There's typically one headliner EAP per layer. Core developers will discuss headliner EAP candidates starting with the February 5th All-Core Devs call, aiming for a final selection by February 26th. Then a 30-day window will follow for non-headliner EAPs. Fossil, or EAP 7805, a censorship resistance feature deferred from Glamsterdam, is already considered for inclusion in Hegotá. Fileverse, an on-chain file sharing platform, introduced social Z-covery, a privacy-enhancing and serverless account recovery mechanism for Fileverse accounts. Social Z-covery leverages zero-knowledge proofs and smart contracts to allow users to regain access to their Fileverse account. To set it up, users add two trusted individuals to their recovery set. In the event of lost access, both individuals must act to initiate the recovery. The feature is now live across DDocs and DSheets products. L2B outlined the Ethereum interop layer, a proposal designed to unify Ethereum's Layer 2 ecosystem into a single cohesive user experience. By making the user the primary executor of transactions, the Ethereum interop layer design prioritizes security and eliminates the need for trusted intermediaries like solvers and relayers. The Ethereum interop layer provides greater censorship resistance, improved liveness, and overall better safety. It also introduces cross-chain liquidity providers, which replace traditional relayers by supplying liquidity directly to the destination smart contracts. L2B is currently developing its new interoperability risk framework, and noted that the Ethereum interop layer may be one of the first designs to actively achieve a perfect safety rating. And lastly, Spire Labs, C Labs, and Self Protocol introduced the human app chain on Celo, a synchronous composability app chain that allows applications to verify human identity natively. Synchronous composability enables apps to instantly view and interact with shared data during a single transaction, removing the need for multiple steps. A demo is now live, allowing users to mint a commemorative human NFT verifying their identity. The human app aims to serve as an identity layer, unlocking bot-resistant experiences for airdrops, DeFi, and stablecoins on Celo. The app leverages Spire's Pylon platform and Self Protocol's Proof of Humanity protocol. In other news, Zero Network experiences a chain halt, Status opens pre-deposits for its vault, and BitMine now holds over 4 million Ether. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io.